How do you find the maximum subarray sum? In just one pass. Let's break it down using Kadane's algo. You're given an array of integers. It can have both positive and negative numbers. Your task is to find a contiguous subarray whose sum is maximum. Important: subarray must be continuous. We use a greedy approach with two variables. Sum stores current running subarray sum and max sum stores the best results so far. We iterate through the array. Add current element to sum update max sum if sum is greater. Now the key idea. If sum becomes negative, we reset it to 0. Why? Because a negative sum will only reduce the total if we continue further. So it's better to start a new subarray from the next element. Example, for array -2, 1, -3, 4, -1, 2, 1. We keep updating the sum, and the best subarray we get is 4, -1, 2, 1 with maximum sum 6. If all elements are negative, we return the largest element, because resetting won't help. Save this and follow for more DSA content.